James Brazier was a 31-year-old black man living in Dawson, Georgia during the height of the Jim Crow era. A hardworking individual, Brazier served honorably in the United States Navy, a point of great pride for him and his family. After his service, he returned home determined to build a better life for himself and his loved ones. Through hard work, including a job at a local Chevrolet dealership, Brazier found a measure of economic success rare for black residents in deeply segregated Terrell County. His success was visible. Brazier owned nice cars, including a 1958 Chevrolet Impala, a symbol of independence, pride, and progress. However, in the racially charged atmosphere of the South, a black man showing visible signs of prosperity was dangerous. Local white authorities, especially police officers like Chief W.B. Cherry and Officer Randolph McDonald, resented and harassed him. On April 20, 1958, Brazier was falsely accused of speeding and intoxication, common pretexts used to target black drivers. In front of his wife, Hattie Bell Brazier, and their children, officers W.B. Cherry and Randolph McDonald severely beat him, striking him repeatedly in the head. Despite his serious injuries, Brazier was thrown in jail without medical care. When he appeared before a judge the next day, he was barely conscious, yet still received no help. After being released, James's condition worsened. His wife Hattie desperately sought medical attention, but the local hospital, influenced by the same racist power structure, failed to provide proper treatment. Tragically, James Brazier slipped into a coma and died on April 25, 1958, from untreated brain trauma caused by the brutal beating. Refusing to accept injustice, Hattie Bell Brazier filed a federal civil rights lawsuit in 1960 against the officers who killed her husband. Despite her brave efforts, an all-white jury ruled against her in 1963. Although she did not win the case, her courage drew national attention to the racial violence and corruption plaguing the South. Their daughter, Verda Mae Brazier Bush, continued her family's fight by keeping her father's story alive through projects like the Georgia Civil Rights Cold Cases Project and Buried Truths, educating future generations about the brutal realities of racism. James Brazier's life, as a U.S. Navy veteran, a proud father, and a victim of injustice, stands today as a powerful reminder of the high cost of challenging racial oppression and the importance of the ongoing struggle for civil rights in America.